Hello everyone, here's a little another update video of the Minecraft clone. So I have been working on chunks and terrain generation, and it looks pretty good right now. Let me just check something here. Okay, great. This is for shadowing, which I don't want to use right now, so because it lags a little bit. So let's start it, and I'll show you what I've done. This is gonna take a while because it is generating a pretty huge map here. Can actually see what the size is. The size is 32 times 32 chunks. So all the green space here is the whole map, and I am the red little dot here. That's the player. So yeah, this is just a map, and let me close that. So now we are inside of the game, and you can see on the map, if I have that here, I don't know where that went, but yeah, forget about that. So yeah, now I'm here. I spawned on a little mountain here or something. And if I walk here, we'll get some more world, and it's not seamlessly, you're not seamlessly walking into another chunk, but you're actually, when you're on the edge here, you can see the other chunk, which is pretty cool. And it is a lot better terrain generation right now. It's generating both oak wood trees and birch trees, and I really like this terrain generation. It can be improved. It can. These mountains doesn't look very natural. And also, all the chunks are now not saved in your RAM memory. It is saved in actual files in the game directory, which is better because we want to have as much RAM memory as possible. So every time we go into a new chunk, it loads that chunk if it hasn't been created yet. If it hasn't been created yet, it creates this chunk based on the height map, and then when I walk out of the chunk, the game saves that chunk into a text file. So when I go into that again, it's gonna load this chunk from the text file, and you can see the text file if you want to. It's here, workspace, craft source, chunks. So here are all the loaded chunks, and if I open one of the chunks, this is what they look like. It's information about what kind of blocks there's in there and where they are. Like here is the X position, the Y position, and the Z position. So these are all the loaded chunks. And if I go into another chunk that hasn't been loaded yet, we're gonna get another chunk here. Let's try that. So if I go, I don't think we have loaded this chunk. I don't know. Yeah, we had. If I go here, let's go a little bit and we'll see. We'll see if we get some more chunks in there. Yeah, there we got another chunk, as you can see here, since I haven't been in that chunk yet. So whenever I go into a new chunk, it saves that chunk in there. So there we got another chunk. And yeah, I really like this. It's pretty cool. Thanks for watching.